Lancashire dingers are arguably the most prolific car and bike thieves in Lancashire, posting videos of their crimes on Instagram. Boasting about their crimes, this video is captioned, "In and out your house in seconds." Here, they ransack someone's motor as they search for a tracker. Just chucking all the belongings all over the road as they search through panels and back seats and even the boot.
Should be under the boot, the tracker should be underneath there. Look the carpet out. Where's the tracker then? Should be down the back.
Another vehicle and another victim. This is a BMW X5. When checked on the database, this is another stolen vehicle. Here, they show off this Mercedes. A check of the reg shows it was stolen in Blackburn.
Get in now, Charlie. Open the door for Nico.
Come on, you spaz.
This video shows them stealing petrol. The man at the pumps is identified as Charlie by another person in the vehicle. Do you recognise his face? Here, they film themselves joyriding in someone's pride and joy. And even when they're arrested, they film inside the cells and still boast about it on social media, and even boast about being on tag. This video is captioned, "Tags can't stop us." But what could stop them is the lack of cash, the lack of funds. As long as there's money to be made, they profit from their crimes. They'll continue to arm themselves with tools for breaking into homes and stealing cars. Will their crime spree ever end, or will they continue to cause misery for families across Lancashire? Each video they post has a victim. To them, each video is a pay packet. Maybe the police should be looking at where the cars end up.